Seriously?
Hey guys, this is Kim Kardashian West.
Hi guys, this is Kelly and today we're gonna do a Kim Kardashian 24-hour transformation video for you guys. And the Met Gala just happened last night and oh my gosh, there's so many iconic fashion statements and I just can't relate. I don't know, like the Met Gala is always super like va boom. Anyways, let's look at Kim Kardashian's outfit. It's so pretty, but I don't know how she was breathing and like she could survive in that corset. Today I'm just gonna go for this look. So I'm gonna wet my hair and do the whole like smoky eye look for you guys. But I totally just can't afford her dress, so I'm just wearing something that is similar to her color. I'm gonna use this O lens. Honestly, haven't worn contact lenses for so long ever since I did my LASIK. So it's gonna be a struggle. Successfully completed the wearing of contact lens. Round of applause! Okay, we'll start off with the Kim Kardashian look right now. I'm gonna start off with the green tea serum by Innisfree. You know, you gotta hydrate your face first. Oh my god, it's just gonna be so tough because Kim Kardashian's face looks so freaking tan and small. How am I gonna contour that shit? LA Girl Pro Prep. I'm using this, the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation in Santa Fe. This is the ColourPop concealer but in deep dark. So dark. It's not too bad. This is the Fenty concealer in 230. Gonna use the Fenty Beauty Soft. Gonna use the Fenty Beauty. Gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pure Filter Retouch Setting Powder in Butter. The whole foundation is stained here. Loose powders are really... Okay, and then we're just gonna move on to our eyes right now. I'll probably do brows first. Let me see how Kim does her brows. Oh, it's a very long and black and thick one. And so it looks like that. Hey, I'm Kim Kardashian. My hair. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place, and it's all these neutral browns that suits Kim's look here. As you guys can see in this picture, she has a little bit of like glitter here, so I'm just gonna go in and do it right now. So she's just using this dark brown color to just diffuse it on her eyelids first. This. As an aspiring makeup artist, I should really sit down and be serious with you guys with the techniques. So this is how it looks right now. And one thing about Kim Kardashian is she always pull up her eyeshadow to nearing her eyebrows. So it just looks something like that. Using the same brush. Her eye makeup is pretty easy. I'm just gonna layer it here. Alright. And then, so I think this is how her neutral eye will look like, but I think she also has some of like the glitters on her eyelid, so I'm just gonna go in with my fingertips and just putting it here in the middle, because as you guys can see, her eyes are like glistening from here. So I'm just gonna do like a vertical one, like this. You guys can see that only the more prominent part of my eyes are like popping with shimmers. We're going in with a darker brown and also mixed with a little bit of the black, and then just deepen the sides a little bit more. Just like that will do. For the lower eyes, we're going in with this and this. Gonna do it flat like that. I'm gonna add some blacks underneath here too. And then for Kim Kardashian, her signature eye is that she will just line all her eye black. So we're gonna do that too. So I'm gonna use this to line my eyes today. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. The most important part is to line the bottom of your eyes. Like that. So it look more Kim Kardashian. This takes practice, guys. Okay, guess this is it. So she also has a wing liner on, so I'm just gonna go in and just wing it out too. I'm gonna use this to do a wing liner. This is the Essence Super Fine Waterproof Eyeliner. Everything here is very cheap. So for her cheeks, I think she used a very peachy nude color. So mine is this Zoeva one. I'm gonna use this for contour. This one is a Wet n Wild Contour Palette. This color. Using this NARS highlighter, I'm just gonna highlight my face. Okay, so for Kim's lips, I'm gonna go in with the darker lip liner first. Then I'm just gonna palette on with the Dose of Colors lip gloss in Honey I'm Home. This one's the LA Girl lip liner in Natural Cream. This is a nice nudish gloss. Bible. I'm mortified. What? Keep watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Okay, so this is the whole final look of the Kim Kardashian gala look. These lashes are by Dolls Out Beauty. It's called SPG. I'll link it down below. It's the Shop My Lashes section, so you guys can go buy it. go wet my hair so that it will be like a whole look. I'm gonna attempt to wash my hair right now so that I have the Kim Kardashian gala look. Although I'm not very confident. Bless me! Seriously? Hey guys, I'm Kim Kardashian. More here. So I'm done with this look and this is the finalized look. Just gotta be a little bit more messy and so yeah, this is kind of a fail, but I guess I had fun doing this with you guys, and if you guys like this kind of video, remember to go and like and subscribe down below and join the family. So I'll have new uploads on Mondays and Fridays, and if you guys want to watch more of my videos, remember to go and subscribe and also click onto the bell notification bar down below so you will never ever miss out on my videos. Bye! Bye!